This works beautifully as described, and it is my new favorite kitchen appliance. I can't say enough good things about this. If you're on the fence and looking at other brands, spend the money and buy this one. I think it's going to be well worth it.
Hello, today I'm reviewing the Cuisinart Perfect Temp Cordless Programmable Kettle. You can see the model number and the dimensions of the kettle. It's a pretty large kettle. This is it in comparison to our French pressed coffee, which is about 45 ounces. It's a nice, sleek, silver stainless steel kettle. The top is open. You can close it and open with this button. The reason why I decided to go with this kettle is because I loved all the options that it gave you when it came to your temperature. So we make French press coffee, so it's got a French press button, it's got a delicate tea button, a green tea button, some other teas, and then even a boil button. Also, it has that keep warm feature. That was something I was really interested in too. So I'm just gonna plug it in. And as soon as I plug it in, I really like that it lights up. It's got that blue light in it. There's not any water in here now, but we are going to add water in here. You can see the water fill up. There it goes. And that's a nice feature with the light. So the water's there. So I'm gonna just pop the top. I'm gonna go for a boil and press start. And it's heating up. It does get warm to the touch, just like a kettle on your stove. I would say that's the only negative, that it does get warm to the touch. It's quite hot to the touch, actually, so you want to be careful about that. Also, I would just say that it does get heavy when it's full, and this handle is quite large. So if you have trouble gripping things, if you have arthritis, if this is for an elderly person maybe, that would definitely be a consideration. But otherwise, you can see it quickly boils, and it's really not that loud. It has the keep warm function, so it's going to turn off in a minute. It'll give you a beep to let you know that it's done. It'll automatically keep warm for about 30 minutes, unless you press stop. And this start button works as a start stop kind of a button. So now it's letting me know that the water is boiled, and it's going to just do that keep warm function. You can press it, so that would turn it off or turn it on to just keep it warm. And again, that's the Cuisinart Perfect Temp Cordless Programmable Kettle.
This Cuisinart kettle is powered by 1500 watts and has a stainless steel exterior. Cuisinart is known for making the perfect kitchen products, and this one is no different. It features 6 preset temperature settings to brew the perfect cup of tea or coffee, and it comes with a 3-year limited warranty. It's extremely simple to use. The kettle has nice blue LED lights to indicate what setting is active and whether or not the water is finished heating. It can keep your water warm for up to 30 minutes. Then it has an auto shutdown. I've used it for more than 3 months, and I can report that the quality is top notch. It never leaks, never pours incorrectly, and never fails to function. Don't waste money on a cheap kettle that will break in a few months. I highly recommend the Cuisinart Electric Kettle.